Hello everybody, this is Jeff at eTrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this Taskmaster Provider ST205 75R15 Radial Trailer Tire in a load range D. And it's mounted on this 15-inch Vesper black modular steel trailer wheel with the 5 on 4.5-inch bolt pattern. Now this tire and wheel assembly is ideal for stock trailers, utility trailers, and even campers. Now what's nice on this assembly, it does have the match mounted and balancing feature, and basically this tire is match mounted and balanced to the wheel for ride comfort and durability. And match mounting of your tires and wheels, what that is that's a process in which the tire's installation position onto the wheel is specifically selected to minimize the final force of imbalance, to eliminate when they put the weights on to balance it, it tries to eliminate as much weight as possible. And the method to match mounting is they align the tire's lightest spot with the wheel's heaviest spot to eliminate most of the radial force that could cause tire and suspension wear. And then they do the final balancing, which is done by applying weights to specific spots on the front and back of the wheel to eliminate any chance of uneven wear or vibration. And you'd be able to see on this one, there's your weight right there. And if we spin it to the back, you can see your other weight right there. That makes this tire and wheel assembly all balanced. Now the wheel itself is a steel wheel. It is a modular design, and when we say modular design, that's the one you can see has the round holes all the way around the wheel. It is sturdy and corrosion resistant. It does use a black acrylic enamel finish to resist chipping and other damage, better than your powder coat finishes. And the finish is applied after a zinc phosphate pretreatment, and it'll cover an E-coat primer layer. Does give you excellent corrosion resistance, has a salt spray rating of more than 1,000 hours. And the lug nut holes right here, they are beveled. This helps keep your wheels securely in place on your trailer hub. Eliminates the need for constant retightening of your lug nuts. Now the center cap, if you notice on this wheel, does not come with a center cap. If you do want a center cap, we do sell those separately on our website. You do want to make sure to get a center cap that'll have a diameter as the same as this pilot hole diameter. This pilot hole is what goes over the hub on your trailer, and your center cap will go through that hole when you install it, and the diameter of this is 3.19 inches. The tire is a radial tire. It is constructed with double steel belts, double polyester cords for a nice long life. It is great for highway use, and they do use a nylon tread firming belt overlay around the tire to help prevent tread separation. The tire is an ST tire, which stands for Special Trailer Tire. It has the sturdy sidewalls so that it can handle heavy loads, and it is created specifically for trailers. It's not intended for use on any other vehicles. It does come with a 2-year Platinum Plus warranty, which will include emergency tire change service and other benefits. This assembly will meet the DOT, Department of Transportation specifications, and it does exceed federal motor vehicle safety standards. Do want to go over a few specs on the wheel and the tire. We'll start with the wheel. The diameter on this wheel is 15 inches. The width on just the wheel is 5 inches wide. This wheel does have a bolt pattern of 5 on 4.5 inches. And if you want to measure that on a wheel that's an odd number of lugs, like in this case 5, what you'll want to do is pick any hole, let's say this one, and then you're going to measure across to either one of these holes. But when you measure, it's from the center of the starting hole to the furthest edge of whichever hole you measure to. So on this one, it'll measure 4.5 inches. So it's a 5 lug, 4.5 inch bolt pattern. It does use a wheel lug size of a 1/2 inch by 20. And the weight capacity on just the wheel is 2,160 pounds. Now the tire size, which will be stamped on the sidewall, ST for Special Trailer, 205 75R15. R means it's a radial. Section width, 8 inches. Overall diameter, bottom to the top when it's inflated, it's 27.2. And this is a load range D, which means it's an 8-ply rated tire. So it does have a maximum load capacity of 2,150 pounds at 65 PSI. And the last thing I do want to mention is they do come, all the new trailer tires are coming through with a speed rating now. And the speed rating will be listed on this, or labeled on the sidewall with a letter designation. And where that's at is right after the size. You'll see 2 numbers for the load index, and then there's the letter M. Speed rating M will mean that this has an 81 mile per hour speed rating. But that should do it for the review on this Taskmaster Provider ST205 75R15 Radial Trailer Tire in a load range D on this 15-inch Vesper black modular steel trailer wheel with the 5 on 4.5-inch bolt pattern.